Well, we came up with a change to one of my project, my end of term. I think I mentioned earlier, I have them do a research project at the end of the semester where they take a business problem that could be solved with technology. And I have about 6 problems that I give them. They can pick a couple of them to solve. And what I have them do now is they write up a paper with a couple of references as a draft on how they're going to solve these problems. And it doesn't work real well. What we came up with as an alternative approach is I'm instead going to have the first assignment of have them pick 2 problems and do research on the problems. No writing, just do the research first, turn in the references and an annotation of what they found at each reference and how that relates to the problem. So they're going to do the research. And oh, by the way, put a little bitty summary at the end, but don't worry about writing the paper. What I found they do right now, the old method, is they write the paper first and then try to find a couple of 3 references to fit.
They do that.
Yeah, and it doesn't work well. And end up the references are sort of side, and that got back to what I was complaining about earlier, they don't want to make a decision then. Because they've already written the paper and it's nice and descriptive, but it doesn't have any solutions. And their references really don't solve anything necessarily all the time. It just talks about the same problem. So if I have them research a problem and find the references that solve the problem, then they'll be thinking solution, not paper. And I think what they're running into is they hit this blank sheet of paper syndrome of, okay, I've got to write a paper. 2, 3 pages. Okay, here's 3 pages on this topic. Oh, I need a couple of references. And so I'm guilty of sending them off in the wrong direction. So I'm going to change their direction. We'll have them do the research. I don't care if they write the paper later. We can do that after the fact. That's the easy part that they'll find out. That's what I want to teach them. The paper's easy if you've done the research. But instead, I'm having them do the hard part last, and that's not good. So we're going to turn it around. That's the biggest thing.